Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start now, point the muzzle in a safe direction and keep your finger off the trigger. Engage the safety if fitted, then open the action and lock it open so nothing can chamber. Remove every shell from the chamber and magazine tube, one at a time, and place them aside. Once done, insert a finger into the chamber mouth to physically verify it is empty, and then look. Use natural light to confirm no rounds remain before moving on. With the gun clear, inspect the barrel bore for obstructions, shine a bore light or pass a clean rod from breech to muzzle. Any resistance stops use. Next, cycle the action slowly while observing the extractor and ejector. Make sure they grab and release shells cleanly. Examine locking lugs and the receiver for cracks or unusual wear, and make sure the fore-end and magazine cap thread and torque correctly. If something binds, stop and troubleshoot. Don't force parts. Close the action on an empty chamber, then perform a safe function check. Operate the safety, cycle the action, and if the firearm design allows, perform one controlled dry fire. Make sure it is unloaded first. Clean and apply light oil to moving parts, then store unloaded in a locked container, separate from ammunition. If the action fails to open or feed reliably, check the magazine's spring and follower if the problem persists.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.